Hi. Well, today there's a Zoom session that provides a lot of updates and information on the latest happenings at SCF. Well, for those of you who want to hear firsthand from the, horse's mouth from people who matter, then that is the video to check out. It's a pretty long video that was posted just earlier today. Okay, right now this video I'm going to walk through on how you are to post out your note vouchers to subscribe for the 2,200 new notes that are being rolled out. And for those of you who have been asking, oh, are we affected? We are not in China, Macau, Taiwan, Japan, Hong Kong, so we are from territories that need not have to do anything. We don't have to post the vouchers. Things are gonna come back normal. Well, I just want to let you know that news is not accurate. It's fake news. There's this circulation going around the last few days. It is fake news. All right, everyone, no matter which part of the world you are at, we are in the same shoes. Okay, all our assets that have been pledged, mortgaged, staked, have been liquidated into cash vouchers, and these cash vouchers are to be posted out within a certain period of time. Okay, so it is very clear. But well, if you choose to still not do it manually, it is your prerogative, because this time round the company is not going to invalidate your cash vouchers. All right, so the company says that they will automatically post out the vouchers for you. And for those of you in phase 1, in era 1.0, who have yet to use your cash vouchers, this is good news for you. You can still use your cash vouchers in this time round. In other words, previously those vouchers which were supposed to be made redundant, thank goodness, now you still have a second chance. All right, it's a revival. You can actually have use of these vouchers by posting into these 2,200 notes. At least, should this mining activity continue and last for some time, at least you may be able to get back some mining rewards. Okay, so with that said, I am now walking you through on how you can post your subscription. All right, right now, as I speak, the date here is 13th of October. It's Friday the 13th. It's 9 p.m. Singapore time. And right now, as you can see by clicking on your home page at the top banner, this orange, okay, in case I will just rewind a little bit to show you, okay, for those of you who may not be familiar at all, let me just go backwards and walk you step by step. So when you log on to your SCF app, this is what you see, correct? So you are at the home page, and at the home page you will see all these moving banners at the top. So hang on in there and wait for the orange banner with the 2,200 flash out and click on it. There, this is the one. Okay, click on it. Oops, I missed it. Okay, I can actually fast it. Oh, I can't. Just have to be patient and wait for it to appear again. I'm actually really in a hurry because I have to head out to the airport. Okay, click on it. When the orange banner comes out, click on it, and then you can see that as it stands now, oops, sorry, where am I? As it stands now, it is 3 days and 17 hours left. Okay, but having said that, to my understanding, there is less than 30 notes that have yet to be fully filled up. In other words, it is running out very fast, and I'm not sure what will happen when it is fully subscribed. And for those who still have vouchers, what will happen? Okay, so before I get onto a very long flight, which is about 17 hours to Europe tonight, I guess I have to post out my vouchers. Okay, Let me find a nice note to fill. I'm looking for a note to fill. Okay, let me see. So you see, some of the notes are like partially filled, right? So for example, this one here, it's 822, and what is the name? It's SXZK. Okay, it's 822. It looks like it's gonna fill up really soon. Shall I subscribe to this one? Okay, let's do it. Okay, SXZK. I'm gonna click on subscribe, and then well, what next? I'm going to click on this little button here, use of note subscription cash vouchers. Okay, and then I am going to type in here my full amount, but to my understanding, decimals are not allowed, only complete dollars. Okay, nonetheless, I'm just gonna try 79289.84. subscribe. There, it says I have to insert the whole number, so I'm going to remove the decimals and subscribe. And then the next step, I'm keying my password, and well, congratulations to me and to whoever is holding that note. I have just helped you to get closer to the 1 million mark. Okay, so now how do I know if it is subscribed? I guess I have to click on subscription records and take a look. There, let me see. Today the date is the October 13. The time is 9:15 p.m. and yes, I have successfully subscribed this amount of cash vouchers into this SXZK node. Okay, and yeah, and this part here, this was earlier in the era 1.0 notes voucher subscription. Okay, so this is how you post out your vouchers for subscription. Okay, so I hope that this has been helpful for you, and you know, all the best in your journey and in your note mining. May God multiply and you know, help us to restore our finances and give us abundant blessings in all that we do. Okay, and yep, that's it. Well, later on, as I said, I'm going on a long haul flight. I'm traveling to France again, and yeah, maybe I may just do some little clips here and there on my journey, on my trip. Okay, so stay tuned. God bless.